Hey guys, so it's around 1:45 a.m. and I'm still up. I was trying to rearrange stuffs here. You shouldn't be doing that, especially when you have houses near you. But yeah, I can't sleep and I can't work. Yep, so I've just rearranged the garage. I have a lot of things here. My gears are here. This is like my man cave here, and yeah, I have my Jeep, my favorite Jeep here, because it's the only Jeep I have. But yeah, so what's happening is that I've been trying to organize my stuff. I've been trying to film when I'm doing weddings, because yeah, lately we've been doing a lot of weddings. But the problem is every time I do that, it's hands on deck, so I can't finish a vlog. Hopefully I can in the future, but yeah, try to film and got so busy. I got a lot of stuff, and also I'm trying to bring minimal stuff. Trying to still bring a lot of stuff. I have a lot of new gears I can discuss, but I can see that a lot of YouTubers has already discussed them. But yeah, whatever. I'll try to discuss them in the future. Just made this setup here, wherein I can talk to you like I always do, and yeah, just using my A7C and the Samyang 18 mil, because that's what I use to bring every day. Well, supposed to bring every day, but yeah, I have a 24 mil, which is much better than this. But this is my current setup. Yeah, so in the next few days, I'll be trying to upload some vlogs, some videos that are incomplete and whatever. I'm gonna put them on unlisted, same as always, and then I'm gonna try to, yeah, I'm still gonna try to do good videos. But yeah, I'm feeling motivated a bit, and I'll try to get this up in the new year also. And other things, yeah, we've been doing a lot of weddings lately. We've been shooting a lot of weddings. I've been doing live streaming wherein the internet just sucks, so I'm just trying to get things going. I've been doing a lot of photography lately because it's been a while. I've been doing a lot of videos in the past few years, and right now my photography sucks. I think it sucks big time. I need to get a revamp, and then Laura's calling me now. But anyway, yep. In the next few days, we'll be getting more videos out, and yeah, we're gonna try to make a lot of vlogs, I think. Yeah, I just want to upload this video now, and also, yeah, today's the 27th of December. I'm gonna hold on. Laura's coming. Pause. Okay, there was just some things that we need to take care of upstairs because Laura was cooking pasta. I know we're gonna eat around 2 a.m. So yeah, we wake up late, but we stay up late also. So I don't know. Anyway, yep. Back to what I was talking about. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to upload some videos which are just undone and everything else. I'm just gonna put them up. Just clear my cache and everything. I'll clear my files up, whatever. And yeah, other than that, looking forward to the new year. I've been trying to, yeah, do good with my photography, my editing, and everything else. I'm trying to reset everything because I'm kind of lost right now. I'm kind of I don't know what, but also, and at the same time, also I'm trying to go to the gym. Yeah, I'm not supposed to tell you guys, but I'm trying to go to the gym. But I've been missing a lot of days going to the gym. But hopefully we can get it fixed. Okay, so as of now, I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna try to eat Laura's pasta. And yeah, have a good day. See you next time. Soon, maybe. Yeah.